What's the meaning of baldness? Baldness. Baldness.
Baldness. Baldness. Baldness refers to the state of being completely or partially devoid of hair on the scalp. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including genetics, hormones, and medical conditions. Male pattern baldness, also known as androgenetic alopecia, is the most common type of baldness and affects up to 70% of men in their lifetime. Female pattern baldness is less common but also occurs. Other causes of baldness include autoimmune disorders, chemotherapy treatments, and physical trauma. While baldness is often perceived as a cosmetic issue, it can also have psychological effects on individuals which may lead to anxiety or depression.